Have you ever wondered, am I getting dementia? Do I need to prepare for decline? Is it too late to protect my mind? Let me tell you something important right away. No, it's not too late. Your brain is designed to respond to change and stimulation, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Hello, and welcome to Thrive Bright Minds. I'm Penny Brown, and I'm a cognitive stimulation instructor, and I've been doing it for over 20 years, and I've worked with thousands of older adults, and I want to clear up some myths about aging and the brain. Today, I'm going to tell you the positive changes that happen with movement. And you know what? We're not talking about extreme workouts, marathon training. We're talking about walking, stretching, dancing, gentle movement, things every person can do at any age. And here's the exciting truth. Movement just doesn't strengthen your muscles. It literally changes your brain. Let's start with a simple idea. You are moving your body. Let's say you are moving a vegetable can or two. Your brain is listening to your body when it does this. Whenever you move, it listens. Whether you're walking, standing, reaching, or dancing. Your brain receives messages from your muscles, joints, and your balance system. These messages tell your brain, hey, you know what? We're active, we're engaged, and we're interacting with the world. And when the brain gets the message, it doesn't just observe it, it responds. The brain begins to strengthen connections between brain cells. It improves communication between the different regions of the brain. It releases chemicals that support learning, mood, and memory. In other words, movement tells your brain, stay sharp, stay ready, stay strong. Your brain is not sitting still when you move. It's adapting. This is called neuroplasticity. The very first thing that happens when you move is blood flow to the brain increases. More blood flow means more oxygen, more glucose for energy. By the way, did you know that your brain uses 20% of your glucose that you produce in your body? And that also makes more blood flow means more nutrients for your brain cells. So let's keep them brain cells excited. Think of it like watering a garden, blood flow. So when the soil gets water, the plants grow better. And when your brain gets more blood flow, your neurons work better. And that's why many people notice clearer thinking after a walk. They have better focus and a lighter mood. Even a short walk can wake up the brain. Now here's where the real magic happens. When you move, your brain releases a powerful protein, and it's called BDNF, which stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. I like to call BDNF fertilizer for the brain. Now we know plants need fertilizer, so does our brain. BDNF does 3 critical things. It helps brain cells survive, it strengthens the connections between them, and it encourages the growth of new pathways, which we need whenever we've been sick. We need some new pathways. This process is called neuroplasticity. Your brain's ability to change, adapt, and rewire itself. So every time that you move, you're not just staying active. You are sending a biological message to your brain. Grow stronger, build connections, protect yourself. That is why movement is linked to better memory, yes, slower cognitive decline, lower risk of depression, and greater emotional resilience, making stress a lot easier to handle. Your brain is responding to what you do with your body. For example, when you've been working on a project for over 45 minutes, your brain starts to get distracted. You may go down a rabbit hole, or you just can't seem to get an answer that you're looking for, and you're just getting frustrated. This is because your brain needs a break. It can take only 45 minutes. So take a 5-minute walk, getting that blood flow going. Send some of the BDNF proteins to your brain. After you're giving your brain a break, when you come back to your project, not only will you be able to focus, but you will, get this, magically find the solution to the problem you are trying to solve, or even be more creative. Movement also activates important brain chemicals called neurotransmitters. I bet you've heard of these before. These include dopamine, which helps with motivation and attention. It's the happy one. Serotonin, it supports mood and emotional balance. And noradrenaline, it increases alertness and focus. Once again, let's talk about people going on a walk. People who go for a short brisk walk, they make comments like, hey, my attitude is more positive after I move. I think more clearly after a walk. I feel calmer, but more energized. This isn't just emotional, it's biological. Movement helps rebalance the chemistry of your brain, improving both mood and mental energy. It sends BDNF proteins. It helps regulate dopamine and serotonin and noradrenaline. Whew, that is a lot from just a short walk or just moving, right? Here's something many people don't realize. Movement isn't just physical, it's neurological. To move your body, your brain basically needs to be, it needs to be an event planner, because it has to plan, it has to coordinate, it has to balance, it has to adjust, and it has to remember patterns from the past. This planning between the brain and the body means communication between the motor areas of the brain, the memory areas called the hippocampus, the decision-making area, which is called the frontal lobe. But in other words, movement trains your brain to work as a team. Movement does. This teamwork inside the brain helps protect memory, attention, and reasoning as we age. So here's the most encouraging part. Here's the most encouraging part. Your brain does not require intense workouts to benefit. It responds beautifully to walking, dancing, stretching, chair exercise, balance activities, light strengthening, gentle yoga or tai chi. There are many senior exercise programs online. Many of them are chair exercises at home that you can exercise with water bottles, or once again, these little cans here. Move them up, move your legs in a chair. For those of you who are even bedbound, you can do these. What matters the most is not intensity, but consistency. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day sends powerful growth signals to your brain. Small steps done regularly create lasting change. So here's the takeaway I want you to remember. When your body moves, your brain receives a message to grow, connect, and protect itself. So every step you take, every stretch you do, every dance, walk, or movement, you are not just staying active, you are building a stronger brain. No matter your age, no matter your starting point, your brain is still capable of change. And as I always like to say, I'm not expired, I'm evolving. Your brain is evolving, your potential is evolving. And every health choice you make is helping your mind become stronger than it was yesterday. Thank you for being here. And thank you for choosing habits that support not just your body, but your mind. All right, until next time. See ya.